Let me show you how to make this soft, fluffy and delicious homemade vanilla cake. We'll start by preparing our dried ingredients. Pour in your 1.5 cup of flour into a sieve, half teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sieve these to get rid of any dirt in your dried ingredients. After sieving your dried ingredients, use a whisker to mix this together well. Now, in a bowl, add 150 gram of butter or margarine. You will use your electrical whisker or manual whisker to whisk this till it changes from bright yellow to a pale cream color. Add in half cup of sugar and mix this together well till it becomes fluffy and changes color to pale cream color. Now that the butter and the sugar is well mixed together and it looks fluffy, now it's time to add in egg gradually. I'm using 3 medium egg for this recipe. Add this one by one. When you add one, you mix, then you add the next one, mix till everything is well combined. For the size of cake I'm making, I'm adding half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Then go ahead to add in 50 mils of milk. Now, after mixing that together, it's now time to incorporate our dried ingredients. Add the dried ingredient to the wet ingredient bit by bit and gently combine. Don't overmix your batter. Gently combine with a spatula. After mixing together, prepare your baking pan or baking bowl by greasing your bowl or pan, brushing it with butter or margarine. Now transfer in your cake batter into your bowl and gently use your spatula to level up the top of your batter. After that is done, gently shake your bowl or pan to get rid of any air trapped inside the batter. Now bake this on medium heat for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, use a clean knife to check your cake to see if it is well baked. Now, get this out and place on a rack to cool off and gently get it out of the pan. Now, the vanilla cake is ready, very soft and fluffy. You can see it by yourself. Make sure you follow the measurements right. I'm going to link it in the description box. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching till I come your way with another recipe. Stay safe. Bye.